AI is powerful. It can write, it can design, it can automate, it can build faster than ever before. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most of you will fail trying to make money with it. Not because AI doesn't work, but because you don't have a system. Right now, millions of people are downloading AI tools. They're watching tutorials. They're saving top 10 AI side hustle videos. They're excited, motivated, inspired. But after a few weeks, nothing. No income, no clients, no growth. Just more bookmarks, more tools, more confusion. So why do 90% fail? Let's break it down. Reason number 1, tool addiction. Most beginners are addicted to discovering tools. New AI website, new automation software, new prompt hack. They feel productive, but they're not building anything. They are consuming, not executing. And income only comes from execution. Reason number 2, they skip skill development. They think AI replaces skill. It doesn't. If you're doing AI freelancing, you still need communication skills. If you're doing AI YouTube automation, you still need storytelling and thumbnails. If you're offering AI writing services, you still need persuasive structure. AI speeds up output, but skill converts output into money. Without skill, you're just generating noise. Reason number 3, they expect passive income immediately. This is the biggest illusion. They think, I'll set it up once and money will flow. That's fantasy. Every real income stream starts active. You learn, you test, you improve. Then you automate. Most people quit before they reach that stage. Reason number 4, no clear offer. Saying, I make money with AI means nothing. What problem are you solving? For who? At what price? Businesses pay for solutions, not tools. If you cannot clearly explain your value in one sentence, you don't have an offer. And without an offer, there is no income. Reason number 5, they quit too early. This is the silent killer. They try for 2 weeks, no results. They switch methods. They try again, no results. They switch again. They never stay long enough to build momentum, and momentum is where income starts. Now here's the important part. How do you become the 10%? It's simpler than you think. First, pick one path. Not 3, not 5, 1. Choose one and commit for 90 days. No switching. Second, build real skill. Don't just copy prompts. Understand why things work. Study hooks. Study offers. Study persuasion. AI becomes powerful when paired with understanding. Third, create a clear, simple offer. Example, I help small businesses create 30 days of content using AI for a fixed monthly price. That is clear. That is valuable. That gets paid. Fourth, track and improve weekly. Look at what works. Remove what doesn't. Refine your messaging. Improve your delivery. AI allows fast iteration. Use that advantage. And finally, think long-term. This AI wave is still early, but only disciplined people will benefit. The hype crowd will disappear. The builders will stay. The tools are not your advantage. Everyone has access to the same tools. Your advantage is focus. Your advantage is consistency. Your advantage is staying when others quit. Most people will continue collecting tools. A small percentage will build systems. Decide which group you want to be in. Because in this new era, AI does not reward curiosity alone. It rewards execution. If you treat AI like entertainment, you will stay entertained. If you treat it like infrastructure, you can build real income. The choice is simple. Be part of the 90% or build like the 10%.